Imagine your caveman ancestors. He had a hunt for 6 days straight. The seventh day, they are hungry. All of the tribe is hungry, really hungry. The sixth day, they had the feast in the morning. For 36 hours, they are hungry. Will they go for a hunt or not? They will absolutely go for the hunt, even if they are hungry, even if they had a feast 2 days ago, because it is an absolute need for them. Now I know you are thinking, oh, but Arib, I don't have a need. Yes, you have. You have an responsibility for your future self to succeed. You are letting your future self disappoint the current you. The modern day psyop has convinced you that there are weekends, that you should work for 5 days, that you should go to school for 5 days, and 2 days you can chill, you can watch any movie, you can scroll on Instagram, you can do whatever you want for 2 days, and then you can go back to your shitty life for 5 days, and you repeat it for your whole life. 5 days work, 2 days chill and watch movies, and you don't even know where the 2 days went by. Do you think it is fair? You don't even know where the 2 days went by. You didn't even talk to your family. You just watch Flash, Flash 16th season. You just watch Marvel's 35th movie. You scroll for 6 hours straight, and now you don't even know where the time went by. Oh, it's Monday tomorrow. Shit. I hate my boss. I wanna work again. Oh, but next Sunday I'm gonna go out and party with my friends. This is a psyop. You should work on even weekends, and now I know you disagree. Oh, bro, what the heck? I should even work on weekends. Yes, you should work on weekends to build the dream life that you want, to escape from the shitty life that you live, the 5 days life. The 5 day you are already working, you are already going to school, but why waste the 2 days that you have? You have 120 days in a year. The weekends, the 2 day weekend that you think is short, it's 120 days. Just go and search it on Google. Why would you waste 120 days? You can use those 120 days to build a dream life, to escape the life that you are currently living. Now I know you might say, oh, but when do I enjoy? You enjoy when you achieve the goal. When you start working on your dream life, you enjoy the work that you do. It is Sunday today, and I'm recording videos from 5 a.m. in the morning. I enjoy this. I like doing this. I'm not complaining. Oh, I don't want to record video. And sometimes I don't. But the things that you need to do will take you to achieve your dream life. You need to sacrifice your shitty movies and shitty whatever shitty anime or shit you are watching. This is a psyop. Weekends didn't even exist like 100 years ago. I don't think it existed. It all started from the 19th century. I've done some research. Why would you let this modern society trap you in this circle where you work for 5 days and you don't even know what you do for the 2 days that you have, and you hate your life? When Sunday ends, you start hating your life. Oh, it's Monday tomorrow, I gotta work that shitty job. So just work those 2 days to build a life so that you don't have to work that shitty job. Do it. Work those 2 days so you don't have to work 5 days a week on things you don't like. Work on things you like for those 2 days so you don't have to work on things for 5 days that you don't like, that you don't care about. Work on something meaningful for 2 days. You can't waste 120 days a year. Imagine the life that you could build if you utilize this. But it's your choice. Go watch that movie. Go scroll on Instagram. Go watch that whole series of originals or Office or whatever. You could utilize this 2 days to build your dream life, and you will enjoy it. I'm not lying. If you work on something that you actually like without needing the money, without chasing the money, you will love the work and you will eventually make a lot of money. And this isn't just coming from me, although I already have a business, like 4 chain stores of restaurants, and we are expanding it. But it is also coming from millionaires and billionaires. I got this idea from Alex Hormozy. He had written this whole tweet about weekends. Although I already did work on weekends, it just opened my mind and I realized, yeah, exactly. Why would you not utilize those days to achieve whatever you want while working on something that you actually like, to escape from something that you don't like? Make your caveman ancestors proud. Your caveman ancestors would have went for the hunt. They don't think, oh, it's Sunday, I don't want to go for the hunt. They went there. They wanted to achieve the food. If they didn't, they wouldn't survive. It is in your biological brain. So I hope that I convinced you that weekends are a scam, because our brains don't evolve that much, and we are the same since our caveman ancestors. Take action, don't be a chomo. Scroll down right now and click subscribe to see more videos like this. See you soon, bro.